Business success is about assembling the right team. It's the businesses behind the business that makes it all possible. When you think about businesses growing their sales beyond forecasts like Momofuku, or even a legacy business like Mattel, sure, you think about a product with demand, a focused brand, and influence-driven marketing, but a big component is the business behind the business, making selling and for shoppers, buying simple. For millions of businesses, that business is Shopify. Shopify is home of the #1 checkout on the planet, and the not-so-secret Shop Pay boosts conversions up to 50%, meaning way less carts going abandoned and way more sales going. Nobody does selling better than Shopify. So if you're into growing your business, your commerce platform better be ready to sell wherever your customers are scrolling or strolling on the web, in your store, in their feed, and everywhere in between. Businesses that sell more sell on Shopify. Upgrade your business and get the same checkout Momofuku uses. Sign up for your $1 per month trial period at shopify.com/DCR, all lowercase. Go to shopify.com/DCR to upgrade your selling today. That's shopify.com/DCR. AI is coming to your industry if it isn't already here. But AI needs lots of speed and computing power. So how do you compute without costs spiraling? Upgrade to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, or OCI. OCI is the blazing fast and secure platform for your infrastructure, database, application development, and AI workloads. Right now, Oracle is offering to cut your current cloud bill in half if you move to OCI for new U.S. customers with minimum financial commitment. Offer ends March 31st. See if your company qualifies at oracle.com/DCR. It's 8 a.m. Eastern, March 8th, and this is your daily crypto report. Bitcoin is down slightly at $86,244. ETH is up 1% at $2,182. XRP is up 0.5% at $2.34. At the White House Crypto Summit yesterday, President Trump vowed to sign stablecoin legislation before August and called for an end to crypto debanking. Trump reaffirmed support for lawmakers working on stablecoin and market structure bills and emphasized keeping the U.S. dollar strong. The event gathered major crypto industry players and followed Trump signing an executive order creating a strategic Bitcoin reserve and digital asset stockpile funded with forfeited Bitcoin held by the Treasury. Before the Crypto Summit, Senator Elizabeth Warren pressed Trump's crypto czar David Sachs for immediate financial disclosures, raising concerns over potential conflicts of interest. She wants details on whether Sachs had prior knowledge of Trump's U.S. crypto strategic reserve plans, whether anyone profited from insider information, and how the administration is handling crypto policy ethics. Sachs denied any wrongdoing, saying he sold all his crypto holdings, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, before Trump took office and is undergoing an official ethics review. He also said claims about indirect holdings in Bitwise's crypto index fund were false, confirming he divested his position in January. Warren also criticized the SEC for dropping lawsuits against major crypto firms like Coinbase, Kraken, and Robinhood, and accused Trump of pumping select crypto assets to benefit insiders at the expense of middle-class investors. Warren herself has faced allegations for benefiting from insider information with ETFs that famously track her notorious trades. However, those allegations have never been confirmed. For his part, David Sachs downplayed speculation over why Trump mentioned XRP, Solana, and Cardano in his U.S. crypto reserve comments, saying he simply listed the top 5 cryptocurrencies by market cap at the time. The mention triggered major price spikes, with some coins jumping nearly 70% before pulling back. Sachs clarified that the government isn't even sure if it owns those assets, reiterating that Trump's executive order calls for a full audit of federal digital asset reserves. The order establishes a strategic Bitcoin reserve and a U.S. digital asset stockpile for seized non-Bitcoin assets, but does not authorize new acquisitions. It also opens the door for staking, lending, and portfolio management strategies on government-held crypto. Sachs said the Treasury Department will decide how to handle these assets after the audit, with potential options including staking, rebalancing, and sales if deemed in the long-term interest of the U.S. Well, Offchain Labs CEO Stephen Goldfeder joined a chorus voicing belief the U.S. crypto reserve should be Bitcoin only for now, calling it the cleanest and least controversial option. Goldfeder argued that Bitcoin is universally accepted, while adding other assets could open the door for regulatory confusion and political influence over which tokens get included. Of course, he did note that if the U.S. ever created a reserve focused on American-made cryptocurrencies, Arbitrum ARB should be high on the list, citing its U.S.-based development at Offchain Labs and Princeton University origins. And finally, the U.S. Office of the Comptroller of the Currency reversed previous restrictions on crypto banking, clearing the way for national banks to engage in crypto custody, stablecoin activities, and blockchain networks. Acting Comptroller Rodney Hood said the move reduces regulatory burdens on banks and ensures that crypto-related activities are treated consistently. The decision follows President Trump's call to end crypto debanking at the White House Crypto Summit. That's all for us today. Visit us at dailycryptoreport.io and listen to us everywhere else you podcast under Daily Crypto Report.
How are business leaders working to confront climate change? For that answer, listen to the award-winning Climate Rising podcast, produced by Harvard Business School and hosted by me, Mike Toffel, a professor at HBS. Each episode, we share a behind-the-scenes view into how startups and the biggest businesses like Microsoft, Google, and Seventh Generation are tackling the central issue of our era. Check out Climate Rising wherever you get your podcasts.
Hi, I'm Rick Ruback.
And I'm Royce Yudkoff.
Are you interested in becoming an entrepreneur, owning your own business, and being your own boss?
Our new podcast from Harvard Business School, Think Big, Buy Small, explores becoming an entrepreneur through the acquisition of an enduringly profitable small business. In this series, we guide listeners how to buy their own small business, including determining if this path is right for them, evaluating prospects, raising the capital they'll need to purchase a small business, closing the deal, and more.
Follow Think Big, Buy Small, wherever you get your podcasts.